Hello, today I will disassemble and clean Xiaomi Dust Mite Vacuum Cleaner Pro. First I will remove the dust container and disassemble it. Unscrew the tank, then unscrew the filter. Look at the markings so you know how to put it back. Pull out the filter that is quite dirty. Disassemble the filter. On top of the filter is a black cotton filter that I did not remove, but you can see it by washing. Remove the small cotton filter from the device so it can be washed. You can wash all filters under water, but they should be dried before using them again. Make sure this white filter dries well because it takes the longest to dry. Now I will clean brush, which is not dirty as on regular vacuum cleaner. Pull the orange buttons down and take the brush out. You can clean your hair with a brush that has a razor blade on it. There's a link in the description where I ordered it. I won't clean it in detail, the video is just for you to see how to disassemble device for cleaning. Check the condition of the dust mite sensors located on both sides of the suction inlet and clean them with a cloth. After all the filters have dried, we can start assembling. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.